Do Kaiser employees get free health insurance? There are many pressures on the purse of the modern family, yet family health insurance it is of paramount importance. In the current healthcare environment, family protection in the form of family health insurance cannot be mitigated. Just consider the cost of emergency treatment, medical intervention, and the cost of healthcare professionals, and you will fairly soon understand its necessity. Nobody envisages life storms. They can arrive unannounced as well as unwanted, but when they do come, you can be sure that day and hefty bill will soon following close in its wake. The unexpected can easily run a family to the verge of the financial ruin. It is plainly a simple matter to run up a bill of thousands of dollars in a few short days. How many of us would be able to budget for such an unexpected rain cloud? When you consider family health care insurance, remember that there are as many policies to choose from as there are family health insurance companies. The skill in choosing the best policy is to weigh up all of these alternatives and see which one of them matches your requirements best. One of the first things to look out for before the final choice is decided upon is the cost of the monthly premiums. Obviously, this is to form a major consideration and must be weighed up very carefully against the benefits of the family health care insurance policy. Quite simply, you must be able to afford the policy that you plan to initiate. Another vital consideration is the amount of the deductible. A deductible is the fraction of a claim to be paid by the insured previous to the insurer making any payment. There are plans available that have both individual and family greatest deductibles. Characteristically, this deductible amount is $100, $250, or $500. It really depends on the plan, and each one is seen as individual. Some plans have of late brought our $1,000 deductibles. As an example, consider a plan with a $100 deductible. You would be accountable for the first $100 in healthcare charges for the year. After that, the coverage would be split according to your plan formula that may cover a percentage of the fee charged or limit your expenditure to a precise out-of-pocket cost. With some policies, family health insurance can include a deductible for each person but may waive the deductible on the remaining members of the family once the deductible has been met on at least 2 family members. The same may be true for out-of-pocket expenses. When 1 or 2 people have satisfied the cap on these expenses, the rest of the enrolled members of the family no longer have to worry about any out-of-pocket costs. It is a fact of life that you should never take matters as set in stone, as all too often the unexpected can be expected. The only thing that never changes is the fact that things do change. Alvin Toffler, a well-known futurist, predicts that the only thing that we can be certain about is that things will not stay the same. The unexpected does not have to mean unwelcome. Few families plan the arrival of a new bundle of joy. Yet if a baby turns up even unannounced, you should be able to automatically add a new baby to the family health insurance policy. Moreover, with some providers, their policy would have to be operating for a certain period, say from 1 up to 2 years or even more, before specific coverage such as pregnancy is available. Naturally, this is to prevent individuals from purchasing family health insurance immediately after they discover they are expectant.